Hello, this is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist, and I'm here tonight with value tip number 13, and the word is character. And character is the mental and moral quality that define an individual. So basically, it's the thing that says who we are. What I enjoy the most about character is that it's one of those things that only comes out under fire. So it's always easy to be in a wonderful, incredible, thoughtful, kind, amazing person when everything is going the way you want it to go. But put that person under fire, under pressure, things aren't going the way they want to. Somebody is late, they're not getting the money they want, they believe it's not fair, something is imbalanced. All of those circumstances, situation, and people will actually show the character of a person. That character only comes out under pressure. When you squeeze it like a toothpaste, then you see what's in the tube. That's the same thing for character. If you really want to know someone's character, ask them a lot of questions. Don't be quick to just accept what they say. Validate, verify, and vet to make certain that the character of what you see before you is truly on the inside. This is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist. Have a wonderful weekend, and remember, you are blessed to be a blessing.